Hey Crafty community, it's Ashley Prater here, and I wanted to come on here and show you a digital kit that is in my Etsy shop. It's my first digital kit, and I have done a project with it that I'm going to share with as a swap. So let me go ahead and show you this digital kit. Here's the first page. Here's the second. And this is called Rustic Independence Day. Really had fun and enjoyed doing this kit. And I really enjoyed getting to play with it and make this fun little pocket and tag and journal page that I'm going to be sending to my swap partner. So as you can see, it's a pretty large kit. And you can find it on my Etsy shop that I will link below. And I hope you will go check that out. That's the only digital I have on there, but I do have some other stuff, but I am planning on putting more digitals on there. But this is the tag I created with it. Very pretty, I think. Love it. Let me know what y'all think below. This is my pocket, and it's a large pocket. Or my page. Yeah, this is my page. And I did a pocket on it. I have actually a couple pockets. Pocket there, and I put a little tag in it and a little heart stick. And I got this in the actually my mother-in-law gave it to me, and she had received it in the mail, and I put that in there. And then I put a little card that I got from the Dollar Tree in there. And that's all I put inside there. I'll probably put this tag in there if it fits. It does not, so we will not put that in there. In the pocket that I made, I put this little calendar. It's a 2023 calendar. I decorated it with some stars and one of my little fussy cuts. I made a postcard, and then I put some of my little writing pages in there. So I enjoyed making that, and I hope my partner loves my stuff. I used a little stamp on this postcard and some with some American stamps that I had. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you can give me, I would like it if you could give me a thumbs up. Leave in a comment what you think about this digital and this project I made with it. If you are subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and give me some support. It's an easy way to support these channels that you watch is by subscribing to them. And if you don't want to miss another video, hit that notification bell to all so you don't miss a video. I am in the middle of doing a series for my craft fairs. So if you like that kind of thing, I will be doing videos on that. When I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a crafty giveaway. So also you'll look forward to that. Like I said, I'll link my Etsy shop below. Also, I'll link my face group Crafty Community Building below. And I hope you all have a crafty, wonderful day. Bye-bye.